Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest in innovative solutions. The HYDROTOOL FrogLog is hailed as the best animal escape ramp for pools. Designed to ensure critters like frogs, toads, and even small birds can safely exit your pool with ease. Let's talk features. Made from durable, UV-resistant vinyl, the FrogLog boasts a robust construction that withstands the elements, ensuring longevity season after season. Its simple setup involves inflating the rescue platform, extending the net, and weighting down the anchor pouch with rocks or sand. Why invest in the FrogLog? Besides its critter-saving capabilities, it significantly reduces pool maintenance. By keeping small animals out of your water, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. Don't just take our word for it, users rave about the FrogLog's effectiveness. It's been featured on major platforms like CBS News and Good Housekeeping, praised for its role in wildlife conservation. Ready to protect wildlife and simplify your pool care routine? Click the link in the description to get your HYDROTOOL by SWIMLINE FrogLog today. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and innovative solutions here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the FrogLog, every dip in the pool can be a safe one for our small animal friends. See you next time.